Ramen Raider coming at you with a professional mukbang. Today I'm doing the Samyang Foods 2X Spicy Buldak Artificial Spicy Chicken Flavor Ramen Cup. Made in South Korea. This one is most certainly for the US market. And here is what I made. As it is a mukbang, the timer will be for the eating of the noodle part, not the egg or the chicken or what have you. That's the deal. I will need a sip of a beverage. I have a fork and a napkin.
Ready, set, go!
Here we go. Done. Okay. Now we got the heat. While I was chowing it down, it wasn't that bad, but now I gotta say though, does it have the Scoville units on this thing? I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it on here. And it doesn't, it is hot, but I remember this stuff being just like mind-blowingly hot. I'm just not getting it like I used to. Maybe I've got more tolerance. I really haven't been eating a lot of spicy stuff lately. Yeah. It's hot, it's that front of mouth heat, but my nose is thinking about running. Yeah, we're getting there, but I'm not sweating. I feel like I'm gonna start drooling profusely, but I'm not really sweating. Yeah. I haven't had this in maybe 2 years. Sounds about right. It was more recent that I think I had the 3X spicy than this. I think the last time I had the 2X was when I was trying to prepare to do the 18 prohibited. Because I tried doing that once and I failed. So I tried in the days leading up to it doing progressively spicier stuff. Right before I did it, I did the 2X. And that wasn't even close. That 18 prohibited stuff is like pure ghost pepper, tons of broth, tons of noodle, capsaicin cramps, all that stuff. So it's good, it's sweet, the topping's nice. But as far as spices in the world, no. 3X, I wouldn't mind doing that again. I don't know if they still make that. I think they probably do. But yeah, cool. I just updated my the Ramen Raider's definitive guide to Buldak. You might want to check that out. That's over at www.theramenraider.com. It's literally the most popular post on my site. That and my recent 2022 The Ramen Raider's Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2022 edition. Go check that out. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. But it's already waning. I'm surprised. I think they lowered the Scoville heat units on this stuff. I don't know. I'll have to ask. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.